Hey, this is Mariah at SundaylaceCreations, and this is my personal bead wall. That I wanted to show you something that happens when you leave it out in the sun. I mean, it is beautiful display, but I do things that are risky for my beads. And over time, if you don't rotate your beads, or if you just leave them like this, the dyed beads will be affected by the sun. So the sun has bleaching power and it bleaches out this dye. 1 minute. Violet. And do you see as I turn, it's more purple on one side than the other? It's more pink. That's resulting from a dyed bead being affected by the sun. And as you can tell, the purple side was facing out, and you could see deep, deep in there, you could see that it was a darker purple. Maybe if I shake it up. Now you see there's a mixture of colors. And so it's a light color where the sun is and a slightly darker inside.